Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will explain one of the technical indicators in the Sentiment Trader Backtest Engine version 2.0, the MACD indicator, and demonstrate how to use the indicator to create backtesting. MACD is a momentum and trend following indicator that shows the strength of market momentum. MACD can be applied to any time frame, daily, weekly, and monthly charts. It has three components. 1. The MACD line is the difference between the 12-day and the 26-day exponential moving averages of the market. 2. The signal line is the 9-day EMA of the MACD line. 3. The MACD histogram is the MACD line minus the signal line. The most common use of MACD is to buy when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, and sell when the MACD line crosses below the signal line. This is a trend-following strategy. We can use the new version of Sentiment Trader's Backtest Engine version 2.0 to simulate the trading performance based on historical data. Now, we move on to setting up the backtest. Let's get started by selecting SPX as our symbol. Then, to make the test more realistic for real-time trading, change the trade price to next open and change the backtest period to 20-year. This means we will long SPX at the opening price of the next day over the past 20 years when the entry conditions are met. After that, you have the option to either customize the name of your backtest or keep the default one provided. Under Entry Criteria, click on the Type drop-down menu and select Technical Indicator. Then, move to the Indicator drop-down menu, search for and select MACD, and then choose Cross Above Indicator's Signal Line. Under Exit Criteria, select Technical Indicator and choose MACD as the indicator and Cross Below Indicator's Signal Line. Once that's all set, hit the Run Backtest button to start the analysis. After it completes, you'll automatically be taken to the Results tab, showcasing the outcomes. In the Summary tab, you'll find an overview of the backtest results. The Trades tab will give you detailed information on each trade. And if you're interested in seeing trade outcomes for various exit times, check out the Exit with Default Time in Market tab. You can also visualize and interpret all this data with the help of various charts. You have learned how to use the Backtest engine to recreate the backtest of MACD. This is a powerful tool that can help you improve your trading skills. I encourage you to try it out for yourself and see what you can discover. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or feedback, please reach out to us at admin@sentimenttrader.com.